Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I got a package in the mail and it's just gonna be opening it up. I ended up ordering a couple parts for my Civic. Some parts that were needed, nothing fancy. Just decided to make a video on it. Let's see what we got. So for the Civic, I got, since the Civic has 273,000 miles on the chassis, it's obviously gonna have worn out suspension parts. So I ordered the bellow boots. This is right here. This one's already open for some reason. It's right here. For the suspension, I ordered for both sides. These didn't come in a box. I ordered tie rods right here, inner and outer. I guess these are the inner, I'm guessing. I don't know, never messed with tie rods, but I have both right here. And this one only has one, so I'm guessing the other one's in here. But here's it. Right here. Let's open this little box. Let's see what this is. Ah, yeah. Here's the other one. So here's these. Both. Oh, you can't even see. Both right here. Both inner and outer. I have both. For both sides of the Civic, plus the bellow boots. I don't think I'm going to be installing it. I'm gonna take it to a mechanic that I know. He's gonna install it for me because I don't know how to mess with these tie rod stuff, and I don't really have time for it either. So I'm gonna just pay for them to put it on for me. Well, that's it for right now. I'm gonna just pick up the video once I take it to the mechanic in a couple of days or so. But yeah, got tie rods because I really needed them since, you know, high mileage car. And then other than this, I probably just need brakes, and I just need to be 100% sure that my fan is working. So I'll pick this up soon once I get more parts or once I take it to the mechanic. But that's it for now. Alright, what's going on, guys? So it's been a couple days since I got the Civic parts. I have them right here. I'm gonna go take it to the mechanic right now, see if he has a chance to work on it, just so I can get this over with already. So yeah. Look at this, something. I guess this car has a clutch bypass, so just have to crank it up and just make sure it's in neutral. Maybe it's because of the Viper alarm, but I don't know. But yeah, it has a clutch bypass. Don't have to press in the clutch to turn on the car. Pretty cool. What's going on, guys? So sorry for not giving you guys an update, but I took the Civic to the mechanic. He fixed it, got it back. I've just been really busy to even go over there. And yeah, since I did tie rods, it messed up the alignment like crazy. So I'm pretty sure that's a straight. I don't know if you can see. I'm pretty sure that's on straight right there. Straight wheels. And the steering wheel is all crooked. But yeah, that was it for the Civic so far. I'm guessing the next thing will be an alignment. But yeah, that's it. I just gotta start working on Integra, putting back the suspension, because the Civic makes me miss coilovers since it's on coilovers. But yeah, that's it for today.